Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Web Coding. My name is Durgesh Sahani. In the previous video, we created the Laravel Inertia View project and connected it with MySQL. In this episode, we designed the e-commerce database foundation. We will create category and product models. Then we update migrations, define relationships, and verify everything in MySQL. Before writing migrations, keep the database design simple and clear. Categories group products and products store the actual e-commerce items. The categories table stores product groups like laptops or accessories. It needs a name and slug. Description is optional, status controls, visibility, and timestamps track changes. The products table stores each e-commerce item. Every product belongs to one category. It also needs product details like price and stock. We also keep image, status, and timestamps. The relationship is simple. One category has many products and one product belongs to one category. First, generate the category model with a migration. The -m option tells Laravel to create the migration file with the model. Run the category command. Now Laravel will create the model and a new create categories table migration. Open the generated categories migration. Keep Laravel's generated structure and add the category columns after the ID column. Name stores the display name. Slug gives us a URL friendly value. Description is optional and status lets us enable or disable a category. Next, update the category model. The fillable array allows these fields for mass assignment. Then write the products relationship. This tells Laravel that one category can have many products. Next, generate the product model with a migration. This creates the second table and the model class for product data. Run the product command now. Laravel creates the product model and a create products table migration. Open the generated products migration. The most important column is category ID because every product belongs to a valid category. After that, add the product details. Start with name and slug, then add description and price. Finally, add stock, image, and status. Next, update the product model with fillable fields and casts. The casts keep price, stock, and status in the right data types. Then write the category relationship. This tells Laravel that one product belongs to one category. Now add the migration command. This will create the categories and products tables in MySQL. Run the migrations and confirm Laravel creates the new e-commerce tables. Finally, check the migration status. This confirms Laravel has executed our new migration files. Quick recap, we designed the database foundation and generated the models. Then we updated migrations, added Eloquent relationships, and ran the migrations. In the next video, we will use Laravel built-in authentication and start shaping the admin layout for this Inertia View app. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share it with other developers. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and subscribe to Learn Web Coding for future updates.